moment. That's a little better. Are we live? Yeah, that's a little better. YouTube. Actually, YouTube only today. Are we live? Let's see. It looks like we are live. What the deal, everybody? You are now tuned into your host, the hottest voice in cryptocurrency, Mr. Too Rich, the Southern Urban Voice. And this is my late version of quick live thoughts from the road. The market is on sale today. And depending on your point of view and your perception and your investment strategies, goals, and all of that, today is a phenomenal day for you. The only reason why today would not be a phenomenal day for you, when you look at the market and see all of the red that's on all of the charts, and when you see everything down, is number one, if you are investing more than you can afford to lose. Number two, if you don't have a properly predefined investment strategy and timeline defined, and or really number three, you just don't have the right mindset. A lot of people don't have the right mindset when they are investing. So they end up buying on the green days and then get frustrated and sell on the red days, which is not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to buy low and sell high, not the opposite. But, a lot of us just haven't been taught the proper way to think about investing. So, on a day like today, when the market is red, especially in crypto, when the market has been really having a strong rally, you have to keep a couple things in mind. There's a lot of people that have been in this market for a while, a lot longer than I have, and have seen their monies come to really, really good gains. If you invested in Ethereum at $100 earlier in the year, and now it's at $1,200, I mean, who wouldn't be taking some money off the table? Depending on how much you put out there, and depending on what your investment timeline is, or if you're just a whale who just wants to shock the market and all of that, and shake out the weak hands so that you can come right back in and buy up what people sold. But aside from all of that, what you should definitely be doing as a retail investor is, number one, changing your mindset to make sure that you are looking for solid projects that have good fundamentals, that actually have a purpose, that actually their product has a purpose, and their company has a team that you can actually look at and verify. But aside from that, you definitely have to make sure you think about it properly. You want to buy when the market is in the red, especially when you're in a bull cycle, which is a whole nother thing to explain, but we're currently in a bull cycle. We were in a bear cycle. We're in a bull cycle now. In a bull cycle, when we get these dramatic dips like this, it's probably going to pump like another 60-70% probably tomorrow, the next couple of days. But even if it doesn't, the goal is to acquire more when the price is low, to reduce your average investment cost overall over time, which is why I say DCA, dollar cost average, because you can kind of filter your way into a good position, and you can buy dips like today. So when everything pumps up in the next few days, you'll be like, oh my God, you feel like you're a genius. But in the midst of all of that, a lot is happening in the market and a lot is happening in the world. And the one thing you need to do is keep your eyes on the prize that's going to be affecting and benefiting you, your portfolio, your goals, and your family, so that you can get out and pursue and do all of the things that you may want to do, like to do, or support what you would like to support. With that said, always remember, DCA is the way. And on days like today, this is why. I am your host, the only, the hottest voice in cryptocurrency, Mr. Too Rich. And as always, the only real color that matters is green. Peace.